This is a cute dog, a ferocious bear, a giant rhino, a delicate little hamster, and a human. One thing all these creatures have in common is that we all have hearts. And today we're going to be learning all about the heart. The heart is an organ that controls blood flow throughout the body. It pumps blood through the cardiovascular system, which is the system the heart uses to carry blood to and away from itself. Everyone's heart beats constantly to keep you alive and to keep the blood flowing. Your heart rate is the definite number of times your heart beats in a certain time period. Think about what happens when you exercise or play a sport. Your heartbeat quickens and your heart rate increases. Your target heart rate is the range of numbers that reflects how much your heart should beat in a given amount of time during cardio exercise. And there are actually two types of exercise: anaerobic and aerobic. Anaerobic exercise increases your heart rate quickly, and aerobic exercise increases your heart rate over time. Now we're going to perform an experiment that'll give you an idea of what it's like to be your heart.
In this demonstration, we'll be showing you how the heart works by example. You'll act as the heart for an imaginary body. We'll pretend that this dishpan represents blood going into the heart, and this one represents blood going out. Water represents the blood. So where's the heart? That's actually you. We'll be scooping water from one dishpan to the other, which will represent blood going through the heart. Now this setup differs from the heart in a few ways. First, there's no physical heart, just the motion of blood moving from one pan to the other. We'll pretend that the heart is moving it. Second, blood moves continuously through the body, so really blood should be flowing back from this dishpan into this dishpan once it's flown through the body. However, that would be really complicated to set up. We'll use a simpler model to represent just our situation because it works just as well for the part that we're concerned about, which is the heart. In a second, I'll time myself for 30 seconds while I pump blood from one dishpan to the other. Make sure to count how many times the heart contracts, or scooping water from one dishpan to the other. Go ahead and follow along. After the 30 seconds is up, we can see how we compare to a real heart. 3, 2, 1, go! Ten. Time's up. That was 13 for me. Whew! That was a lot of work. Can you believe your heart does that every single second of every single day? So let's see how we compare to a real heart. My heart contracted, or beat, about 13 times in 30 seconds. That's 26 times per minute. Human hearts contract usually between 60 and 100 beats per minute. How do we do?